to this machine. He's 52 years old. He's a German living in Angeles City, working for Audi as a driving instructor. And riding a motorcycle is an important way for him to relax away from his car driving job. His first BMW was a 1985 R80 GS, and he also owns 7 BMWs. All right, he's the president of a motorcycle club in Germany. Congratulations, Christoph Klapper, riding home on his BMW Scrambler. We're also going to be handing over the keys to Direk AF over here. You've heard Direk AF's backgrounder. This is very much on AF's alley, very much your style. It looks good on you, you look good on it, bro. Following officers to please join our riders for a group photo. We'd like to invite all of our new owners. Bring your keys, get off your bikes for just a minute. We'd like to invite Ms. Monica Barco, the ACC president, to join us. Of course, he is already here with us. Mr. Zaf Antito, BMW Motorrad specialist, and Mr. Noch Narca, BMW Motorrad analyst. Let's all get in on this group photo.
Dami. Move. We have to move. Dami.
Ako, right, asal ka natin.
Kasha eh.
Right.
Alright, with our last couple of snapshots, we'd like to say congrats.